Hey everybody, it's Karen and Stephanie with Food and Family. Today she has a delicious potato recipe that she wants to share, and it is a loaded, tell me if I'm right,
loaded baked potato salad.
Loaded baked potato salad. Have you ever heard of such? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try it. So I'm going to turn it over to her, and I'm just going to do whatever she wants me to do.
All right, we have got 3 pounds of russet potatoes chopped up, and we've quartered them, and then about an inch cut. We've got those, and we're going to get these to boil. These you do not want to let get overcooked. You want them to be just fork tender because you really want them to be a sturdy potato when you mix this together.
Because I know when I make my potato salad, I make mine a little soft.
And I like my regular potato salad that way.
But this is better in chunks. Okay. So what do we do next?
All right, so we've got 3 green onions. And we're going to chop these up for when this gets done. You're going to want to drain it and let it completely cool before you start adding these ingredients. So we're going to finely chop these green onions.
I love green onions.
I love it. And it is delicious in this because it really stands out.
So you're using 3 pounds of potatoes and 3 green onions. Okay.
And this is a really good, different potato salad. I tried it the other day, first time I made it. I've had it at a barbecue joint here in, I think it's in Pell City. It's my new favorite potato salad.
All right.
Let me get these cut up and we will be right back. All right, we are back. These have cooled and drained. Absolutely. And you do not, if you want to peel them and you don't want the peeling on there, you can do that.
And they're still in chunks.
They're not falling apart.
Not mushed, but they're done.
Yep. So to a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream.
Which is just an 8-ounce carton.
And it's going to have it's going to have a half a cup of mayonnaise.
That looks like half a cup.
Yeah. We're going to mix that together so it's well blended. If it's not as wet as you want it or it's too dry, you can even add more if you wanted to.
Kind of to your taste.
Yeah, to your taste. All right, so first we're going to salt and pepper. And this is to taste.
And then we did salt, after she put them on the boil, we did go back and salt the water.
All right, now we're going to add our mayonnaise and sour cream mixture.
I mean, you put sour cream on a baked potato, so why not put it in this, right? And then just start mixing.
Before we get too mixed up, we're going to add our 3 chopped green onions.
You just can't do a potato salad without some onions.
You're going to put 1 cup of bacon bits. There we go.
A little extra never hurt, right?
And then we're going to have 1.5 cups of sharp shredded cheddar.
And that's a 2-cup package, so. But if you were me, you'd use it all.
You could, yeah, there's no wrong way to do it. Now it's going to be the workout.
So we're going to let her get this all stirred together. And we're going to come right back.
All right, we are back and we've got this all mixed up.
Isn't that beautiful?
We are going to garnish it with some more green onions on top.
That way everybody knows what's inside it. I don't think a regular onion would have.
No, you just can't beat green onions.
No, I mean, it would be good in it, but this green onion just, that sets it off. Wow.
And we did come back and add about another 1/4 of a cup of sour cream. I just like mine to be a little more moist.
Now, look at that after it's garnished. Isn't that beautiful?
All right, you ready?
I am ready. I know what we're having for dinner.
I know what I'm having for dinner too.
And this may be all we have. All right, you ready? I got a little bit of everything on here. The potato, the onions, the bacon.
That's so good.
Everybody that watches me knows, I've said this many times, if I ever got stranded and I had one food, it would be a potato. And I think this is the way I'd want it fixed. This is amazing. Thank you for making that for us.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We certainly appreciate each and every one of you. We hope you've enjoyed this video today. And Stephanie's thinking and working on more ideas to bring us. So please like, subscribe, share our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we put out another video. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon.